Yo guys, so welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, we're talking about Beyond Meat versus Tattooed Chef and which is a better investment for your money. So I wasn't really going to make this video only because I felt like Beyond Meat wasn't really a direct competitor to Tattooed Chef, and because Beyond Meat focuses more on meat and beef substitutes and alternatives, whereas Tattooed Chef focused on vegan and cauliflower dishes. However, news did come out whereby Tattooed Chef is now making meat alternative, such as the pepperoni and also the sausage crumble. So now Beyond Tattooed Chef is moving into that meat space. So I feel like it's only right to compare the two companies, because now they're technically competitors in the same sort of space, the vegan space and also the alternative meat space. So yeah, in this video we're going to go through both stocks and both potentials, and we're going to see which stock is a better investment for your money and which stock will give you a greater return. But before we carry on, please smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe down below to help out the channel. We want to get to 1,000 subs by the end of the year, so please help us out. We make great recommendations such as Nordstrom, which we recommended at $12 and now it's sitting at $31. So that's 150% return on your investment. But yeah, so subscribe down below, follow the million-mile journey, and we'll help you do well in the stock market. So yeah, in this video I'm just going to talk about Tattooed Chef first. This might be a repeat of what I said in previous videos, but yeah, I'm going to compare it to Beyond Meat in different aspects, and I'm going to talk about Beyond Meat and I'm going to end it with a conclusion of which is a better investment and why. But yeah, let's just get into this video. So first of all, let's just talk about the last quarter, so the third quarter, and the revenue. So Tattooed Chef increased their revenue by 65% year over year, and this is during a pandemic. Then compare this to Beyond Meat, which only increased by 2.6% year over year. Then Tattooed Chef also increased their sales by a whopping 288%. So in this aspect, you could say maybe it's because of the pandemic, that's why Beyond Meat only increased by 2.6%, but Tattooed Chef also went through the pandemic. It's in the same circumstance, the same kind of space. So this is a huge increase for Tattooed Chef. This just showed that they've got so much potential, because the distribution did increase by 50%. So there were a lot more stores. Production increased this year over last year by 50%. So they're in a lot more stores. So they're expanding year by year. Hence the increase in revenue, increase in sale. Then additionally, Tattooed Chef does plan to inject 2 billion impressions into marketing. So I think in my last video I said $2 billion, but someone in my comment section actually corrected me that is 2 billion impressions. So something to do with marketing, to increase their marketing and get the brand known. And if we compare this to Beyond Meat, Beyond Meat's marketing is amazing. You can go anywhere, you know what Beyond Meat is. I'm in the UK, I've seen Beyond Meat product, I know what Beyond Meat product is, and their marketing is amazing. And I feel like that's where Tattooed Chef is trying to get to, that international marketing and being more recognized. And yeah, so they plan to inject 2 billion impression into marketing to get the brand out there. Then also currently, so Tattooed Chef is in 50% of Walmart store, and they plan to increase this next year and year over year. So this can easily go up to like 78% next year, 100% the year after. So eventually they'll be in 100% of Walmart store. They also plan to increase their presence in Target stores as well. So they plan to expand into a lot more stores. Then compare this to Beyond Meat, which is already international. So you can get Beyond Meat in the EU, you can get it in the UK, but also Beyond Meat does plan to expand to China. And bear in mind, China has one of the biggest meat markets in the world, and they've got a huge population. And Beyond Meat is basically going to be the first vegan company to go capture that space, that vegan space. So they plan to build a factory, a production factory in 2021. So Beyond Meat is going to be very, very, very big, and we'll see how they do in China. Then in comparison to that, Tattooed Chef, as you know, is only based in the US as of now, but next year in 2021 they plan to expand in the UK or in the EU. So they've got a production factory which supplies products in Italy. So this production factory in Italy can easily supply products to other EU countries, because as of now it's only to the US. However, if you follow Emmanuel Investing, I'll link him down below. One of his followers on Instagram actually found a Tattooed Chef product in the UK, in a Costco store in the UK. So yes, Tattooed Chef is coming to the EU, is coming to the UK, and as soon as 2021. So this is a huge growth potential for this company. So basically, when you have to look at it this way, Beyond Meat has already scaled up. It's international, it's in the EU, it's in the UK, but Tattooed Chef is still in its startup phases. It's still a newer company trying to expand. So the meeting targets that Beyond Meat has already met, but nevertheless, Beyond Meat has so much space to grow. They also plan to expand to McDonald's, so they're partnering with McDonald's in 2021 to produce vegan burgers, and also the plans to expand to China. So they've got a lot of growth potential, but Tattooed Chef has, I feel like, has a lot more growth potential, because they're at that stage in Beyond Meat was at maybe like 8 years ago, because Beyond Meat has been about for over 10 years and Tattooed Chef is only just coming to the scene. So Tattooed Chef is going through that phases that Beyond Meat has went through. They're going to expand to the UK, to the EU. They're going to expand in more stores, so more Target stores, more Walmart store, more Asda's, Tesco, Sainsbury's, which is UK stores. Then they can even be expanding to China in 5 years time. So I feel like Tattooed Chef is going through that phases that Beyond Meat is going through, hence why I feel like it's a greater investment and has a greater growth potential. But nevertheless, I feel like both of them are great growth companies with great growth potential. But if you're talking about which one will give you a greater return, I feel like it's Tattooed Chef. So in my last video, I did give some price prediction, some short-term and long-term price prediction. So short-term, I see Tattooed Chef going to $20 to $25 by the end of the year. So that's up to 30 to 40% increase on what it's at now. Long term, next year this stock will easily be sitting at that $30 to $40 cost base, and that's just my minimum baseline. So this stock can go up 100% in a year's time, and I'm very bullish about this stock. And I don't like to make short-term long-term prediction because the market is very unpredictable, but the space that this company is in and the way the vegan space is growing year over year, and also the price it's at now, $18, which I feel like is still undervalued, this company is a easy 100% return in a year's time. Short term, like I said, 30 to 40% to that $20 cost base by the end of the year. Then also both companies this year did launch their online websites to bring in more digital sales and just their e-commerce business. So consumers can order products direct from the website and it comes to their door. So you just purchase a product from the website and it comes directly to you. So they're trying to get more revenue from that e-commerce side, from the digital. So which is great for both companies, especially the pandemic we're in, when stores are shut, then people want to stay indoors, so you can order the product to your doorstep or you can go in store and buy it. So I thought this was a great move for both these companies. But yeah, so like I said, I do see great growth potential in Tattooed Chef. As of Beyond Meat, it's sitting at $138 as of now. I can see this stock going up easily to $200. So in that aspect, they're both great investments, both great long-term investments. But if I'm talking about which one is going to give me a greater return, because if you're maybe like me, you don't have all the money in the world to maybe invest in both companies, which I wish I did, and I want to go for the company that's going to give me the greatest return, and that for me is Tattooed Chef. So that's why I'm going heavy on Tattooed Chef. If I had more money, then maybe I might put some money in Beyond Meat, but I'd still put more in Tattooed Chef. But yeah, they're both great long-term investment. The vegan space is growing year over year and it's not slowing down. So yeah, that's my opinion on both these stocks. Both great future potential. I'm very excited for where Beyond Meat and Tattooed Chef are going, because they're going to do a lot of great things, and if you're invested in both of these companies or any of them, then you're going to be a very happy person in a few years time as this companies starts to grow and get bigger. But yeah, as always guys, this is just my personal opinion. This is for entertainment purposes, so make sure to do your own research and your own due diligence before investing in any of these stocks. But yeah, we'll catch you in the next video, and don't forget to smash that like button if you enjoy the content, and don't forget to subscribe down below. Help us reach 1,000 subs by the end of the year, and we'll help you do well in the stock market. But yeah, we'll catch you in the next video guys, and thank you for watching this video.